Hey, welcome back to Soai. So, taking a little detour in the city because I need to find a bank. Where I'm going to today, I've been there before, it's called Wah Fung No1. You guys in the comments told me that what I had wasn't Peking duck, it was roast duck. I had a good laugh about that. And a lot of people told me that I should go back to try the roast pork, get it with, I think it's some garlic type sauce and everything like that. So anyway, I need to try to find a bank really quickly because this place takes cash only. I think I might have $7 in my wallet. So if I don't find a bank on the way, I just get a bit impatient, then I might try to see if that's gonna pay my way through there. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just taking a quick little walk throughout this city. Oh, my friend told me about this sign, the Rick's Cafe sign. Wow, it's a pretty expensive billboard. So yeah, just walking through the city to see if there's anything that might pique my interest whilst I'm on my way to the bank. But as I do that, I'll catch you guys when I get to Wah Fung No1. So, I did say that I have, I think $6 in my wallet. 7. You think this is a joke? All right, so I got $7 in my wallet. There is a bank close by. My bank is close by. Well, let's see if I can get something for $7. I'm almost certain what I got the last time was like somewhere around $9, and I'm trying to get a smaller bowl today. Now, I know this is New York, but or America. If you are ever in New York, definitely check out Chinatown because, yeah, you could get food here on the cheap. New York, apart from that, is a very expensive space, really expensive. Now you might be spending a bunch of money on accommodations, stuff on your itinerary. And I think if you could save a couple bucks on lunch and spend like $7 on lunch, I think that's a good thing. Now we are on 79 Chrystie Street. Someone in one of my videos said if I could give the cross streets. Hey man, I'm learning. I don't know all of the cross streets, but that's why in the videos at the pinned comments, if you scroll all the way down in the comment, you'll see the Google map pin, or if you go to the description box, you will see the map pin there. Click on it and it will give you all the information. We are now in the technological era, so why not use that? All right, so I'm on the street. I remember the park. Man, things have changed the last time since I was here. There is now the winter coming and it's not as beautiful as before. But you know what remains the same? The freaking line to this place. Every lunchtime, literally every lunchtime, this space is like really, really packed. Yeah, I think I can get the pork for $6. Is tax included in that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm scared. Do I do this? Do I try to chance it with just $7? Is there tax included? Let me go ask, because I don't like embarrassment. Opted to go to the ATM. I can't stand the embarrassment, but I'll tell you the price if it's inclusive of tax when I go there. Now I just came back and the line got longer. That's crazy. There's at least about 20 people in the line right now. Got my roast pork and there is still a line behind me. Crazy.
So hear this. I finally got a helmet.
Yes, after everyone in the comments roasted me into safety. And while I do feel like a superhero on wheels now, I still ride like I'm dodging banana peels carting around New York. Because let's be real, biking around New York City is not for the faint of heart. Negligent drivers are practically a local species. It happened to my neighbor actually. He got clipped by a car and all he said was,
"Yeah, I just tossed my scooter in the closet and took the out."
Why? He didn't have the money to go after the driver. And that's where Morgan & Morgan comes in. When insurance companies hit you with the
"Here's $50 and a pack of gum"
type of settlement, Morgan & Morgan is for the people. And the best part, you don't pay unless they win. They are the biggest injury law firm across the United States with over 1,000 attorneys in all 50 states. Oh, and just in case if you're wondering if they're legit, they recently won $12 million in Florida. That's 34 times the top insurance offer, and 26 million in Philly. That's 40 times the top insurance offer. So yeah, they don't play. If you ever get seriously injured, your case could be worth millions. And you're only a few clicks away from changing your life. It's really easy. You can start your claim now with Morgan & Morgan with my special link, which is www.forthepeople.com/soy. Found in my description box or by scanning the code that you can find on the screen using your cell phone. All right, so I had a little timer going. Don't mind my phone screen. So it took 33 minutes and 32 seconds for me to get my food. I do recommend coming during the lunch period. I read one of the comments, because I try to read as much comments as I can. I read one, someone said that they came when I checked out the roast duck. Go check out that video, I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can see my review on the roast duck. But the person said that they came one night and the food was bad, it was dry. Yeah, don't come in the night. I would recommend coming in the lunch period because it's a fast turnover. A lot of people coming and the food is gonna be, I would assume, fresher. And of course, have 30 minutes or so to spare. All right, let's open this baby up. So I told them, I'm like, the sauce that my people been telling me to get, lather this baby. Put it on it. I was gonna get a small, but when I saw the price for the large, it was like $9. I'm like, yeah, I can take some home for later. Why not? So I got this one for $9. Well, let me give you guys the exact price. You know what's funny? I actually had $20 in my wallet. I didn't see it, which is strange. So I got a water and this, and I got back $11. Is this 2 quarters? Yeah. So I got back $10.50. So yeah, $9.50 for this and whoa, that means the water was 50 cents? That's crazy. Anyway, let's open this baby up. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Ooh. Oh, sucky now. Look at that. Oh my God, look at this. This is their roasted pork. I could smell the Chinese 5 spice all the way from here. Oh my gosh. I'm not too sure, but maybe that might be like some form of a green onion sauce or scallion. I don't know, but it looks really good. All right, first bite, here we go. It looks super fatty. It looks like it should be sweet. Nice, oh, that nice pork. Only pork can do this. After trying that duck, I knew I had to come back for this. And you guys in the comments were like, you have to get the pork. Oh, that ginger sauce? We got green onion or scallion thing. Ooh, that was different. It's almost like a light version of a green seasoning. That is nice. That is really nice. So the textures of the pork. It's not super tender, and it's not super tough. It's a nice balance of between the lean with the fatty. Oh my God. So this part is definitely leaner, maybe a little bit drier. Tender, a little bit longer would have been dry. So you got it just in time. The part that gets everybody is just the price. The price, this plate easily is like 2 pounds and something, very hefty. You're spending $9. You're getting something that's delicious and filling. Come on now, man. Oh my God. The rice is really, the rice is average. It's an average Chinese rice. It's no Cinderella. But the pork is definitely who you take to the ball. Oh God. That's good. The flavor profile, apart from it being sweet, well, not very sweet, but slightly sweet, it has a very Christmassy taste because of the Chinese five spice. And synonymously, we consider taste like cloves very Christmassy because that's put on the ham. And Chinese five spice consists of fennels, Sichuan peppercorns, Chinese cinnamon. What else is it again? The cloves, of course. And then lastly, the star anise. And those are the 5 flavor profiles. The one that I'm getting the most, I would say, is the cloves. It has this very nice pork Christmas ham-like flavor to it. Not quite, but very much there. The only thing that I would say would be missing is that overly pure taste of ham. Let's try the cabbage. Yeah, that's an expert level steam. It's still very much alive. Tender, but there's punch, very good. Not just a placeholder on the plate. If I were to say something to critique this dish though, I would say I'd have liked my pork to be just a hair thin more tender. Chinatown does it every time. That is it. One last bite for the road. Yeah, that piece was a little bit dry. Try to find a better last bite. I hate scoring food, but if I were to score this, I would give it an 8. I don't think I could get over it being, some parts being a little bit too dry for me. But the part that's gonna get everybody is gonna be always the price. For what you're getting, the taste, the appeal, the amount of food that you got for $9. I just spent $9.50 just now. And I think it was absolutely worth it. The taste was good. Little misses here or there, but you cannot beat that. And trust me, I know, most of the places I've been to doing these food reviews, they're averaging for a decent price somewhere around $15, and you're lucky if that. So for $9, $10 with a drink, it's not bad. All right, guys, I will catch you guys on another video. I hope you guys appreciate the content that I'm doing for you guys and taking you on these food adventures. I absolutely love doing them for you. Also, please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment, tell me what's your favorite spot, where should I check out next in Chinatown, and if you enjoy the content enough, I'd like if you drop a subscription. I definitely appreciate that. All right, I'm gonna go check out something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I wanna try this stinkest fruit. If you guys know what that is, drop it in the comments. I'm gonna try it, and don't Google the answer. Think of it off the top of your head. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember to see things, love it, danger, adaptation, and always remember, keep it linked.
I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew.